This video explains the 8 key principles for achieving your best physique and becoming part of the top 1% of individuals with impressive bodies. Many people struggle to figure out how to build muscle, whether they are skinny or overweight, teenagers or adults. This video provides guidelines that help the speaker achieve his goals. The first principle is consistency. To get results, it's important to be consistent with gym visits, especially during the first 6 months of workouts. It's normal to feel discomfort, but it's important to keep going until the body adapts. The speaker recommends scheduling workouts at regular times and using the 5-minute rule to push through days when motivation is low. The second principle is managing your macros. Macros refer to the 3 main nutrient groups: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. It's important to keep track of these nutrients while aiming for a caloric deficit. The recommended macro ratio for fat loss is 30 to 40% protein, 30 to 40% carbohydrates, and 15 to 20% fats, which can come from healthy sources like lean meats, low-fat dairy, whole grains, and nuts. The third principle is boosting motivation with music, which can help release dopamine and endorphins during exercise. The fourth principle is intensive weight training, which should be done 3 to 5 times per week to build lean muscle mass and strength. The fifth principle is doing more compound exercises and fewer isolation movements, as this will allow you to train heavier and achieve more significant results. Compound exercises like deadlifts, squats, and bench presses are recommended.